Last month, I checked my grocery receipt and something shocked me. I spent $186 just on vegetables. Tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, herbs, every single week. I kept buying more. So I asked myself a simple question. What if I stopped buying vegetables completely for 30 days? No quick supermarket trips. No just one tomato excuses. If I didn't grow it, I don't eat it. It sounded crazy because my garden, it's not a farm. It's just a tiny balcony with a few pots. But the challenge was set. Day one felt exciting. I looked at my small tomato plants, my baby lettuce leaves, some mint growing fast. And I thought, maybe this is possible. Then reality hit. Week one was stressful. The tomatoes were still green. The lettuce was too small to harvest. And mint, well, you can't survive on mint. By day five, I almost quit. The grocery store is 3 minutes away from my house. Fresh vegetables, perfectly stacked, easy. But I reminded myself, this was about discipline. So I waited. And then something changed. By the second week, the tomatoes slowly started turning red. The lettuce doubled in size. Green chilies appeared almost overnight. Every morning, I stepped outside and checked my plants like they were an investment. And in a way, they were. Instead of buying vegetables, I started harvesting small portions daily. Not huge baskets, not overflowing harvests, just enough. And something unexpected happened. I stopped wasting food. When you grow it yourself, you don't throw it away carelessly. You value it. And now, here's the part you're waiting for. Before this challenge, I was spending around $40 to $50 per week on vegetables. During these 30 days, zero. Not a single dollar spent on vegetables. That means I saved $168 in 1 month from a tiny balcony garden. And honestly, the money wasn't even the best part. The real reward was control.